The verb have is an irregular verb. Its simple present form is have, simple past form is had, and past participle form is also had. The verb has is the third person singular number form of the verb have. So, has is used for third person singular number pronouns he, she, and it, and also for all other singular subjects like the girl, the man, the bird, etc. On the other hand, the verb have is used with singular subject I and you, and with all other plural subjects like we, you, they, these, etc. Both the verbs have and has can be used as a main verb as well as a helping verb. As a main verb, both have and has mean to own something. That is, something belongs to someone. So we can say, he has many general knowledge books. She has a collection of many storybooks. The child has a beautiful smile. The stars have shiny light of their own. The forest has many species of trees. All the trees have green leaves. Then we can also say it has the ability to do all types of works. Here, the pronoun it may refer to a robot, for example. Now, as helping verbs, both have and has are used for perfect tenses in English grammar, that is, for both simple perfect and perfect continuous tenses. Let us look into some examples. Well, before starting the examples, one point has to be mentioned here is that both this has and have are used in perfect tenses along with the past participle form of the main verb. This applies in case of simple perfect tenses, okay? But in case of perfect continuous tenses, have or has is used with another helping verb, been, along with the present participle form or ing form of the main verb. So when we say, I have completed all my homework, here have has been used with the past participle of the main verb complete, that is completed. Then we have been trying to solve the problem for 1 hour. This is a present perfect continuous tense where have is used with another helping verb been along with the present participle or ing form of the main verb, that is trying. Other examples, you have done a great job today. She has drawn a beautiful scenery. The monkey has eaten all the bananas. The stars have become invisible after daybreak. The child has been sleeping since morning. So this was all about the verbs have and has. Thanks for watching.